In this video, we'll teach you how to fix if your PayPal account doesn't link to your bank account. So first of all, log into your PayPal account, then click Wallet in the top and select Link a Bank right here. So first reason might be that the names on your bank account and on your PayPal account doesn't match. The names should be the same. So if you have got your PayPal account on your real name, the bank account should be on your real name too, guys. You can't use any other person's bank account. Another reason might be the country. So the country of your PayPal account and the country of your bank account should match. For example, if you are in USA and you signed up on PayPal and you have got USA PayPal account, you should have USA bank account. You can't use any other country's bank account. So that's the reason how to fix this problem. Make sure that your name on your PayPal and on your card matches, and also make sure that your countries matches, and that will fix your problem. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.